So, hello and welcome, beautiful people, to round number 2. Me trying to improve in stuff. Today we are doing Angular. We are going through the basics again. And yeah, as most of you already probably know, I split my sessions into rounds. This will be round number 731 for the stream. I have planned 2 rounds, then I will go outside, and then the plan is to stream in the evening again, but no promises here. It might and might not happen. It will depend how tired I am and how long did I stay outside and different factors. So, and each of the interval is split. Well, each of the round is split into 2 intervals, and it will be 3 minutes of typing and 35 minutes of at least 3 minutes and at least 35 minutes of typing exercise. And this is like the learning, developing, and so on. And currently we are, hey Alan, and currently we are going through the basics of Angular again to fill in the gaps, which I have in my knowledge. Nice to see you, Alan. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, so let's just get into it. 3 minutes of typing. I can... Oh, it was... It was good. It was good. I was going through bad weather, good weather. Maybe I can show you. Then come on. Go on, open up. Yeah. So for example, this is me crawling through the snow. It was like water mixed with the snow. So that was kind of fun. Then what else? Yeah, that was good. I can show you. Yeah, here you can see my brother doing the same on the video. Yeah, that's like different angle. Yeah, it was really cold. It did hurt after a while. Yes. We took our shoes off to, yeah, both of us. But just for a while, at the end there was a hey, what words per minute, or what did you mean? Oh, VPN, like the I don't know. I don't use the VPN, and when I work, it's usually provided by the company. So I don't know. Unfortunately, I'm not the one to ask about this. And where was the other picture? Yeah, so we went just for a little bit, and then there was this like bridge where there was a dry land. Yeah, sure. So we were just going through the slush, through the icy slush in here, and after here we just dried our feet. It was okay. And what else? I wanted to show you like another, like then shortly after that we went into, like, the weather changed like immediately. We couldn't see anything. Yeah. So here I am, and it's like just really like behind us, right? And the fog was like so thick we couldn't see anything, you know. And then again we did like few steps and it got worse. Where is it? It's even more severe. Yeah. So here I am standing, you know, like you cannot see like almost anything, and it's raining on us. That's my brother, he's tired. And I'm cold. Well, it was fun. It was fun. Yeah, there's some area where I'm showing how much snow there was. Like here. Yeah, there's the path which we were taking, and here's the, you know, like that's his, and the snow was this high in some areas, not all of them. Yeah, so it was a nice trip. Thank you for asking. I see. Oh well, yeah. And previously we were like going through like another area. Hold on, there was this. Oh yeah, this one was funny. My brother took his shoes off to dry them off during the night, but it was raining during the night, so this is how it ended up. It was full of water. Yeah. Whoops. Exactly. Yeah. And there was this nice area in the west part of the. Oh yeah, this one was nice. You know, I took this picture at the end of the first trip. You see that? There was this rainbow, which was going like straight to that building over there. So I took the picture. So apparently, at the end of the rainbow, there's a not pot of gold. There's a cemetery. that's what's happening at the end of the rainbow. And we were also to this tower, you know. That was nice too. And what else? Yeah, we found this like totally forgotten like structure building. It's middle of nowhere. There's no access to it whatsoever. And it was just there. I don't know why. This is the part of the walk which we took as well, you know. We were going around this canal which was used for like when they were like harvesting wood, so they sent the lumber across this canal. So it was the first trip. That was nice. Oh yeah, there was a hey Kamushka. uh, yeah, there was, I don't know how you call it in English, but it is when the water is frozen into like small balls, you know, and they are falling to the ground. It looks like this. So that was the weather we had for a moment. Okay, enjoy your workout, Kamushka. Hail. Okay, so it was hailing. Yeah. And I don't know. This picture is also nice, so I can show you. So we are basically just the entire day. We were walking next to this canal. Yeah. So sightseeing like this all the time. It was nice. And here's me taking a picture. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe I can, because on some parts you have this brown water mixing with the normal water, but I don't think I have a picture in here to show you right away. That's okay. Okay. So we can, oh, and I'm recording it. Okay, whatever. So we will continue in the typing exercise and then proceed to doing the Angular stuff. This is long. Maybe I will be able to type it in 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh. Ah, so many. Okay, so that was kind of, I did well in the beginning, then I kind of screwed up, and I have a 4%, which is really nice for me at least. So 4 and 43. So we will put this down, hopefully. Okay, so that's the improvement. We see green numbers in here. That's what we want to see. There was sometimes it's selected like the square, and sometimes it selects lines. Not sure how that. Okay, so if I click and then whatever, I don't know. It is one or the other. And we are continuing with the engine modules. And the launching thing with the root module is the next in the queue. This one I think I'm gonna save actually. This looks like a great resource. Okay. And we have some material and other stuff which we will not care about right now. And we are doing this. Okay, close this. What is this? Volkswagen package. Maybe later. Let's focus on this thing. Well, you know what? I actually should close the distracting things. Volkswagen. I think I will save it to here just for and this will be this yoink here yes, and this was from Imanavicius. Okay, it's just links, yeah. Commit. I wonder if I would be like using the Git porcelain from Emacs if the IntelliJ will detect the changes. It should, right? I can try later on, but now I can close this. What is this? So that looks like a nice page, but why doing it a simple way? Maybe next time, maybe never. CSS guide to Flex, but that's something I also wanted to learn. I want to learn so many things. And I will do this in the next round. I think we will do something which is, like do some code, something which I can show, which would be visible. And now I need to get a drink. Also, I'm hungry, so I think it would be good strategy to order something to eat now. And at the end of the session, I will have the food. Guess. Come on. Lately, I'm just eating Vietnamese, nothing else. Okay, so Poke is kind of expensive. How hot is it outside? Not much. Bumbanambo? Football? If I get the giant, like the soup, I will be also taking in the liquids. I haven't had foie ever, so I think we are going for that. That is the pho with a duck instead of beef. Confirm. And I forgot to take my vitamins, so I will do so. I was also thinking about getting new mouse. Yes, I'm laughing at myself. I guess I can show you which one I'm thinking about, and I'm thinking about ordering all of them, and then just try them. Well, this is it's really cheap mouse. This one is really cheap mouse, and I found out that I don't know. I was like for like trying to use the trackballs. You know what? It's maybe not the best for me personally. It's hard for me to do like the small movements with it without it to jump. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. So maybe I'm just a mouse guy. I mean, there's a usage for trackball as well sometimes. I guess not in my case. It's vitamin D if you are curious. So I was thinking about getting this one, which has the continuous scrolling wheel, whatever, and mainly what I'm missing about this mouse only is the back and forward buttons. It doesn't have any. Yeah, it just doesn't have one. It was for a really good price. I paid exactly nothing for it. It was given to me. So everything else is kind of like more expensive, but I don't know. So this is the one. I would like to have the black version, of course, and it has the like the continuous scrolling wheel when you kind of like flick it and it just goes. I'm not really sure. This one is like really light. What I like about this is this one is light too, but this one is kind of expensive. Uh, and then there's this one, which has 106 grams. This has like 80 grams. This one is really light. It has like, yeah, it has 80 grams too. Does this has 80 grams, really? Seems like this round I'm all over the place. Oh well, whatever. We are taking it easy. It has 74 grams. Why that one costs so much? It's supposed to be some like awesome. I don't need like the extra DPA or the acceleration like super. It has the back and forwards buttons, but it costs like 10 times this one. So maybe it's just bullshit and I will return all of it afterwards. Or don't even order it at all. So that would be maybe the best course of action. Okay. Let's get into what we came here for. Did they confirm the order? Yeah, they did. Okay, cool. So, the NG modules. This looks like, oh fuck, this is the architecture modules. And this one I read already. Right, and then we have the other one, chapter, which is really similar to this one, but it was this guy. The NG modules. Okay, so I'll have a look into that. Doesn't look like much. Decorator takes a metadata object. Okay, so that was the understanding which we took from this, right? So that this guy, and I mean, and I mean, fuck. How did I do that? Visual inside brackets. Yeah, okay. So this guy takes. Oops. It takes this object. Visual inside this. Yeah, this object. I want visual around that. Yeah. So this is the object which it takes. It's basically like a function and does shit. So it takes the object, how to compile, template, how to create injector and runtime. I read this. It's Microsoft and public through the exports property. Okay, so we have the ng module right here, imports, exports, shit like that. So there's some example, and we read that, and this is where we didn't read. Mm-hmm. So this is like, you can import it, yeah, and then we were clicking through those and looking at the material design, whatever. This one changes only. And here's like some examples. Button toggle. Oh, nice dialog. Minor grid list. Icons. This one I might like. Oh, whatever. This is not the point of this. Consolidate components. What's solid? Combine into a single effective current. Oh, that would be that, I think. Yeah, so puts together, that makes sense. Pipes integrated. Do you stream as well? I don't think so. But we add a friend. I know her in real life. Eagerly. Okay, angular router, yeah, that's changing the route and the HTTP client. Hey, Nightlight. Yes, yes. I didn't stream for a long life. A long time. Cheers. True, true. I was like hiking around the country for a bit, and then I was lazy, and then I had like this tooth operation as well, so I took some time off. My sleeping schedule is still fucked. Maybe I should come to terms with it that I might not be able to fix that. Okay, so they can be loaded eagerly, which is the default thing, and they can be lazy loaded. Oh really? Does it help? Do you do it? I might try it. ng module data as the following. Okay, so declares the components, directives, and pipes. Pipes? Interesting. So that one will live in here in the declarations, right? Come on, visual around those. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, those would be the things. It says which belongs in there. So I guess the logic would be like this, all of this, you know, like would be a one module, and everything in there should go in that. Right, so we have the app component, that is the top level requirements, that's here. Ingredients, that lives here. The top bar components here. Does absolutely nothing. Well, it doesn't do nothing, but it's unnecessary. And interesting, because we have the service, and I don't have it like here in the ng module, but that one we import to the modules. But I was like generating everything using the tool, you know, they provide, like in this guy, you know, it doesn't have the, you know, but like ng generate rate service abc whatever, right? And it did put it in here, so interesting. Like if it doesn't belong to the module, I would intuitively like think it would be in different folder too. It is not. Okay. Just an observation. Make some directives and pipes public. So this is the export thingy, right? I don't have it here, but it can be there. Imports, this we did, the other modules. Provide services that other application components can use, and that goes in the providers. So at least one module. The root module, you bootstrap that module to launch the application. Yeah, that one we will. That one I have open launching. Yeah. I did save it in here. That is this guy. Right. Yep. That's all I need. The view refactor the root module into feature modules. That is a link too, so you can have a look at that. It's like in the ng modules. It's a lot of stuff. Entry components. This is what I'm reading, right? This fucking... This one I read. Okay. We'll continue. Sure. Basic ng module. So this is the angle generates the full CLI command line interface. And so this is the basic shit. Also, another idea is like to create like some exercise for me, which would have like the unit tests, and you know, like I will, it should, and I should like create a component which doesn't exist for it, and then I would have to test written for it already. Doesn't work that way, because when I generate a component, it generates a test for it as well. Oh well. Oh, there's a nonetheless. Here is like if you just generate it, this is what it will spit out. Yes, there's the configuration, declarations, imports. Yeah, that's what we will be reading next. Kind of jumping all over the place, but it doesn't matter. More RNG modules. Okay, so feature modules, entry components, providers, and so on. Types of entry modules. So the feature modules. Well, this one we just did. Now we will have this, I guess. And here, yeah, those are the next steps. So feature modules, entry components, providers. This is what feature modules. Maybe I should organize it like into this, like engine modules, and then you know, like those. So I know which one I did visit and which I didn't. Because I would like to go through like all of them. How will I organize visualize this? How can I like maybe measure my progress or whatever? I'm hungry. Very hungry. Oh wow, the courier is on the way. In 6 minutes he should be here, huh? Okay. Okay, so how did I organize my shit? So we have interaction to modules, NG modules. So what the hell? So this one I do not care about right now. Like how should I, this is like reference, okay, so I should go like one by one like that, or cards. Oh yeah, there's like this new thing, right? The dev tools for
Hello everyone, my name is Minko Getchev. I'm
Chrome.
working on Angular at Google. Today
Bigger.
in this video, I'll want to show you how you can use Angular DevTools
He's
to
reading.
review the structure of your application and profile its performance. Angular DevTools is a Chrome DevTools extension that you can download from the Chrome Web Store. You can find a link in the description below.
Yes, I want that. Well, do I want that? What does it do? I want that and I don't even know what it does.
You can go to Extensions and pin it. The next step is to open an application running in development mode. See how the color of the icon changed to red, indicating we can debug the application. Now let us open Chrome DevTools and find the Angular tab. Here we can preview the componentry of the application. Once we select a component, we can find its metadata, properties, inputs and outputs in the right panel, and we can modify them directly from the UI. Now let us navigate to the Profiler tab and start recording change detection events. We can preview change detection cycles as they occur in real time. Each bar in the timeline corresponds to a separate change detection cycle. We can find how much time we spent in change detection and whether the current cycle caused any frame drops. We can also preview the estimated frame rate and what triggered change detection. At the bottom, we can preview the components we spent the most time in. When we select a bar, we can see further details for the particular component. To better understand the application's execution, we can switch between the default bar chart view or the two alternative views, Flame Graph and Tree Map. That is all I had for you today. Head to angular.io/devtools to find more advanced Angular DevTools features. Thank you very much for watching and happy coding!
Happy coding, okay. Which one is the better framework to learn in? Well, the one which they will pay you for extension. That's the one. And I'll pin it too. Okay, cool. And we will play with it Ah, my food is arriving. Such a glorious moment. So, I think I'll just omit this for a moment, or do I want to? Put it into my to-do list. I don't. Okay. Well, my food is here, so I'll get to pick it up. I'll be back. Okay, so we can finish this off. Okay. Volume. Yeah, I will put them on the list, which I want to visit. Pitch modules. The entry components, that might be interesting too. Maybe faster would be this way. Yeah. Holy fuck, it doesn't have the... Okay. So if I do this, then I have to... Okay, whatever. Whatever. Instead, this will be... Fuck, did I really? Yeah, I did. Okay. So I'll close this. Paste it. Modules. Then guidelines. This is where we are. Okay. So we have it on my to-do list. so it will not be lost. And we will go to no, open. Oh, hold on, there was like another shortcut for it, right? Open link and space XO. We'll see. Space XO works. Why doesn't it have the shortcuts for org links? Like the insert link. That's useful, for the fuck's sake. It doesn't list the open link, which I use all the time, which is Command C, Command O. Okay. This is what I'm going into, really. With a root module, yeah. And I wanted to know, the question is, which module is the root one? Which must be present for observing by convention, and this ng module is named app module. So it's enough to call it app module, and then we are good. Like so. Is that how it works? Okay, it creates that. Where is it set that this one? Oh fuck! I almost. What did I want to do? Yeah, Alt F12. Disappear this. If we go here, there should be somewhere like. Okay, so here is main TS. And this looks like where it is done. Booster module, that's fucking what? $5,259. That's a long source code, dude. Create an instance of an engine module for a given platform using the given runtime compiler. And here's the usage. Where's my mouse? Here's the usage. Just exactly what we did saw here. I guess that's that. It might be something which I will not use at all, but I would like to know. Yeah, that's the same shit we read already. It's only one component, blah blah blah. Declaration of bootstrap